guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. If you're not subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a video. A lot of people have been asking me how do they use Chebe butter and they also go to work. So I'm going to show you a way that you can use Chebe butter on your hair and then cover it as much as possible so that it doesn't show when you're going to work. So this hairstyle is basically African threading. It has got extension because I want to cover my hair as much as possible. I've already divided this because I've already arranged my hair on the bed. So I'm using Mali hair, which is in color 1. I want it to mimic my hair so that it looks like my own hair. And I'm using 3 strands, half the length. This is a Darling brand. I'm going to put it there. That's how it looks like. I'm doing African threading, so I am going to use thread. This is proper acrylic yarn that I'm going to use. I've already measured how much length I need, so this is what I am gonna need. And I'm going to use Chebe butter. This is the Chebe butter that I made a few weeks back, and if you haven't watched the video on how to make your own Chebe butter, here is the link to the video so that you can watch it for yourself. This is very simple to make, by the way, and it makes your hair very soft and it doesn't break that much. That's why I love applying Chebe butter whenever I can, as long as I can cover it properly. I'm using this Eco Styler gel. This is just to sleek my parts. You know, my hair frays quite a lot, so to make them smart and nice, I'm going to use Eco Styler gel. This I'm going to use to moisturize my hair before I do the threading. And I'm trying out this leave-in conditioner. This is my own formulation. I'm trying it out. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the videos that I put out. So yeah, let's get into it. I hope my parts are going to be okay because I am using the viewfinder. So today I'm not going to use the crochet hook because I know a lot of people don't have crochet hooks. So I want to show you a way that you can actually do this hairstyle without needing a crochet hook. So I put the hair in between those 2 sections, and then I start wrapping the yarn on, and then I start wrapping the yarn, joining those 2 sections with the hair extension in between. And then I'm going to just apply the leave-in conditioner. It's winter, so I really slather that conditioner on to make sure my hair is not dry whilst I have the protective style in. The Chebe butter. I smooth the Chebe butter into my hair to make sure that each and every strand has a shade. Then I'll twist that up. This is my extension and my thread that I am now going to use to cover up my hair. Then now I start the threading. I just make sure my hair is completely covered so that there is, the Chebe butter doesn't show, because Chebe butter can be messy sometimes on the hair. And then also it is a protective style, so I need my hair to be completely covered so that I can protect my hair from the winter cold. The wrapping is basically African threading. If you haven't watched any of my videos on African threading, then you can go to a playlist that I have on my channel where I actually do African threading properly. Yeah, I'm gonna use a scissor to snip that off. That's it. So this is basically African threading. So the way I've done it, the extension looks like it's my own hair, and I can wear it anyway, really. And I have done a hairstyle like this before and I enjoyed it big time. It's a very good protective style, by the way. And this is basically what I'm gonna do the whole head. One thing that I struggle with is parting my hair into very clean parts. You guys, my hair is growing almost everywhere, and it even makes my scalp look dark just because there's hair everywhere. So you forgive me for that. I just hope you get the gist of the hairstyle that I'm trying to show you. I part that section and then put the hair extension in between the parted section, and then I close it up and then start joining that section using African threading, using the thread, and then I'll apply the leave-in conditioner as much as I can. And then after that, I'll apply the Chebe butter and then twist that section up so that the hair doesn't fray any further, so it holds the moisture as much as possible. And then I will cover my hair using the hair extension and then start threading. It's as simple as that. As I go along, I try and make sure that my hair is still covered. As you can see, I don't use too much of the gel because gel can be drying to the hair, you guys, and I don't want that. So I just used as little as I can just to make sure that my parts are neat, or let me just say neater than usual. What's seeping out there of the threading is actually the product that I have applied. I am so heavy-handed when it comes to applying products, so I don't mind though. I like it actually better this way, that excess product is going out than me applying too little product. But I can't not apply enough product, so more product for me is much better. I do more is better. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair and I'll be right back. That's about 2 hours later and I am done. I just put this satin scarf on so that I can slick my edges. Make sure you watch up to the end so that you can see how it looks like. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video in any way. watching. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Bye. Hakamatara kisi, hakamatara kisi. Tupeza, 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 tupeza. Finally.